Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by checking permissions because only the organizer can change Ask to Buy. Open Settings, tap your name, then Family Sharing. Once there, find the child's account in the member list. This is the control point. Tap the child's name to reveal parental control settings. Make sure the device is nearby so you can verify prompts if needed. Doing this first stops unnecessary navigation and ensures you modify the correct account rather than a different family member's settings. Now you remove the approval step directly. Tap Ask to Buy inside the child's settings and toggle it off. This immediately stops purchase requests from appearing on your device. Once done, the child can make purchases without your permission, so consider purchase limits first. If the toggle is grayed out, that's usually because the account age or Apple ID type prevents changes. In that case, sign into Appleid. Apple.com or adjust the child's birth date. Make sure changes propagate by waiting a minute. Finish by confirming the change so you don't get surprised later. Ask the child to attempt a small free download or check the purchase history. You should no longer receive approval requests. If the child still prompts Ask to Buy, restart both devices and wait for iCloud to sync. Once restarted, sign out and back into iCloud as a next step. If nothing works, contact Apple support because account configuration or parental restrictions may require their intervention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.